Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll look into the function character and code, CHAR and code. So here you can see the code for the corresponding symbols. For example, which I have highlighted, trademark. The code for trademark is 153. Symbol plus and minus is 177, and so on so forth. You can look here, the chart. So if you want this symbol, this is 182, 1/4 is 188, half is 188. Now let's look how to input in our code. Okay, here is an example. Say this is my YouTube channel. I say my YouTube. I want to add trademark symbol. Okay, so how do I do this? For trademark symbol is 153. So I'll say equals to this and character CHAR open bracket 153, because 153 is a code for trademark, and I press enter. Okay. Now we'll say this Atisha Gifting Solutions. I want to add a registered trademark. Okay. So registered trademark is 174. So I'll just say this and sorry, once character CHAR 174. You can see registers added. Similarly, I'll add copyright. So for copyright, it is 169. So I'll just say 169, change it to 169. Now this here we have 27.25. So I want to represent as 27 and a quarter. So to add quarter, this code is 188. So I'll just add this B31 and character 188. Oh, sorry. I'll add here 27 and quarter. I'll just say 27. 27 and quarter. You can see, you can assemble this. Now, this is 189 for off the symbol. So I'll just put equals to 76 and character 189. So 76, I have put 27. Here I'll put 58 50 equals to 58 and CHAR, open the code 190, open the brackets and close it. You can say 58 3/4. And similarly, I say 5 centimeter plus or minus. So what I say for plus or minus is 177. So I'll put CHAR 177 and 5 centimeter. Put it in inverted comma. Plus or minus 5 centimeter. Now code. So we need code is nothing but the correspond. Here we have a pound euro symbol. Here we have hash. Here we have dollar. So to find what is the corresponding code, we just type. We need to type code. CODE. This CHAR character and its code can be used in macros in many ways. When we do some macro coding, we can use these functions. This will be very helpful. Now I enter this, close, and see we got the corresponding character, that is 128. Hash is 35, dollar is 36. So this is how we can find the, we can add characters and find the code of the characters. That's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jayaraman.